guys, I'll be doing an unboxing video of this Apple Watch Series 6 44mm, which is in blue, deep blue. I can't wait. I just took off the plastic, so let's try to open it. Oh my god, this is the first time that I'll be unboxing. Since my I didn't do an unboxing video of my Series 1, which is way back in 2017, so that'll be great. Oh, I love it so much. Look at this box. It looks so awesome. It says there, designed by Apple California, assembled in China. Okay, and it comes with this sports band, which is color. What is this color? Does it says anything here? What is the color of the sports band? Oh, it is colored deep navy blue, which is will be the unboxing again. This is the Apple Watch. It doesn't include the power brick, so same with the iPhone 12, it doesn't have a power brick and so okay. So let's do unboxing now. Okay, as you can have to see, this is the Apple Watch itself, and yeah, the casing is the color like deep navy bluish. Actually, I did unbox it already at the Switch store, which is one of the Apple's they call this Apple's official reseller here in the Philippines. So let's pull the Apple from this casing. I'm just not gonna tear this casing because it looks more premium than I ever thought it is. It's gonna be. So I'm pushing the Apple Watch right now, as you're going to see. So yeah, actually I set it up at the Switch store. So this is what it looks like, the watch face. And oh, I forgot that I have many bands, Apple Watch bands here, that it's compatible with my Apple Watch Series 6. So let's try to do an unboxing of this sports band navy blue. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do an unboxing of this band. Oh, it looks more premium. The band. Okay. Oh, it has this kind of, wow. So this is the band it looks like. And yeah, I'm so glad that I bought this with my money. And I'll be putting it back here because I bought this Apple Watch bands here. This is one of my favorite color. And since it's a blue Apple Watch, I'm gonna pair it with red because it looks more awesome with it. And this is a sport band loop that I have. I bought it on Shopee, and more Apple Watch bands are coming soon because I bought it on 11/11, which is, I really can't wait. I've bought 3 Apple Watch Hermes band, whatever they call it. So I can't wait to have a new Apple Watch band, but this I'm not gonna use it for a moment because I have so many watch bands here, and I gave my Apple Watch Series 1 to my mom since she really needs it. So thank you for watching my review tech video, my unboxing video of my Apple Watch Series 6. I shoot that video last year of October. Yeah, the end of October last year, and I hope you liked it, and hit the subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching my tech review. And this is the first time that I did an unboxing video, so I hope soon there will be more unboxing videos to come. And yes, thank you for watching, and goodbye.
I gave you my heart.